Are you struggling to make any money online? Have you tried those boring survey sites or watched some stupid videos and only get paid for a few cents for watching 45 of them? Have you been taken to the cleaners trying to sell junk on eBay? Are you just tired of the rat race and need a breath of fresh air? Well, in this video, you are going to learn to fire your boss, get your bills paid, and learn how to break free. So let's learn how right now. Hello. How are you doing? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, you will learn about how to become what is known in the online marketing industry as a super affiliate. But before we begin, I would like you to help this channel and support it by clicking on the like button, share this video, leave a comment in the description, and of course subscribe to my channel. And also, please click on the little bell icon so you can get notified when I put up a new video. Thank you, and let's begin. So as I mentioned to you before, you will learn about how to become a super affiliate marketer. It is every internet marketer's dream of becoming what is classed in the industry as a super affiliate. To be classed as one, you need to have an enormous downline about the size of Texas. I just thought I'd use that for illustration purposes because you do need quite a large base of affiliates underneath you. For those of you who have no idea what I'm talking about, let me explain. An affiliate is someone that sells or promotes another person's website or product and gets paid a commission for every sale he or she makes. Also, every person that signs up underneath them in the affiliate program gets a percentage of whatever the next person makes. In addition to everyone right down the line to, let's say, just 10 levels deep, so to become a super affiliate, you need to be good at one thing: internet marketing. Now, for those of you who are new to this game, internet marketing is big business, and I do mean big. Huge money. Billions are spent each year on this subject, and believe me when I tell you, you can make an absolute fortune doing it. Internet marketing? That's for people who know what they're doing, right? I'm just a regular Joe who has no idea of any of this stuff. How can I manage to profit from this lucrative industry? That, my friend, is where I come in. Yep, part of becoming a super affiliate is to create a downline. Not just any downline, we want a good solid base of people who have the same idea as you, and that's to make money and lots of it. In order to accomplish this, you need to train the people underneath you. You need to teach them to do exactly the same thing as you, using exactly the same methods as you. If If you can imagine for a minute you have a base of 100 people. Now those 100 people you have are going to use the exact same methods you used to get your initial 100 people. Can I ask you a question? What is 100 times 100? That's right, 10,000. Just let that sink in for a minute. We haven't even gotten down to the third, the fourth, or fifth levels yet. You can imagine how big your downline will get using this method, right? Now all of this is in a perfect world and everything is good in theory, but in real life things never pan out this way. You'll get people that will sign up and then never do anything, lose interest, and quit. This is something that we cannot control. A lot of people that'll join up to affiliate programs quit because they realize there's more to it than they first thought. Some get disinterested after all their efforts and aren't making any money, so they quit. To combat this, you need to have an established system in place that walks your new affiliates through each and every single step. The system must answer every question they might have as well. Remember, you are the master here. You have students that are eager to learn the ways of an internet marketer, especially one who's experienced. By now you're probably thinking you've lost me. Now I won't lie to you. There are some things that you'll need to sign up for and they do cost money, but as we all know, you need to spend money to make money. But how do you make money? What if I just don't have any money to begin with? Where can I go to get the traffic? Well, free traffic sources is social media, but that takes a lot of time and effort. If you've not seen my other videos on how to start from scratch, watch it. A super affiliate marketer explains it in detail. Listen to him. The link to that video is right above or at the end of this video. It should be right up there. Thank you for watching today's video. Please smash that like button. Please share this video with everyone you know. And leave a nice comment down below and say hello. Tell me where you're from. Maybe I can find some offers that'll work in your country. And last but certainly not least, please subscribe to my channel. And turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell icon so you can get push notifications when I put up a new video. You are awesome. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. So go make some money now. See ya. Bye. Have a wonderful day.